Hello everyone, welcome to the ninth edition of Renix 2025, which is happening for the first time in Chennai. And today we have with us Mr. Rajat sir for sharing his views. Welcome to Renewable Mirror, sir. So, sir, can you please tell us what is the current demand of your product in the market?
Right now, the whole industry has a huge demand of the panels because of some policies, government policies, as well as most of the IPPs are coming up with the big orders. So not only us, being a company like we are fully booked right now. That's by God grace we are fully booked. So that kind of a business we want from the market. We are getting that, and demand is so huge that every company is occupied with orders and all other things. So we got a very good demand that is big only because of ALMM and where Indian manufacturers are getting most of the orders and sales we say. So that way it's a good market for now.
So, sir, how has been 2025 so far for your brand in terms of business opportunities?
2025 is very hectic because see we are getting orders, we are trying to close it on time. So this is the right time I would say. This time should go last long because what we see in the market is not only PM Suryagar, not only Kusum. Apart from that, most of the CNI partners are also coming up with the solar requirements. Most of the IPPs are coming up with solar parks requirements, and apart from that, most of the orders what we are getting is from ASEAN countries, which is nearby countries. So that way, I can see we have a potential to serve. India has potential to serve, and there are a lot of orders which we are getting from national as well as international markets. So, good time for you.
So, sir, as Topcon technology has emerged as one of the leading technology in the renewable energy sector from the last few years, so what is the current demand of N-type Topcon modules of your brand in the market, Indian market, and according to you, what is the future outlook for this particular technology?
So now I would say 70% or 80% order is from Topcon, and rest is Monopug. Monopug is slightly reducing, and people are asking for Topcon only. So future for next 1 2 year, I don't see a new technology coming in the market except HJT. The demand for Topcon will always be there for 2 years. So that's the thing.
So, sir, as Renix 2025 is happening for the first time in Chennai region, so what kind of future outlook do you foresee in this particular region, and do you want to convey any special message to your customers in this particular region?
Chennai, Tamil Nadu is a very huge and good market for solar. And this time, Renovex has come to Chennai in ninth edition. So, first thing is we are getting very good response in this Renovex. Secondly, people are very, know what they want to buy. They're not here coming to see the product. We are getting sales also. So only cream, filtered customer who has a genuine requirement, that kind of people are coming. So that's great. Like our company got a very good experience this time.